Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best, never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is about Redmi Note 10 series. Redmi Note 10 series smartphone illegally spotted on certification sites. The recently launched Redmi Note 9 series smartphone is about to meet its successor in the market very soon. The Redmi Note 10 series was illegally spotted on Russia's EEC certification site with model number M2007J22G. Redmi Note 10 could be the first phone to use 108 megapixel rear sensor as primary camera. Powered with MediaTek Dimensity 822U processor, Redmi also tips Snapdragon 750G or Snapdragon 865 processor to be used on its upcoming smartphones. Let's see when Xiaomi officially announces the device and at what price, as the model number also suggests that the phone will arrive in the global markets as well. Next news that we have is about WhatsApp. WhatsApp is testing joint missed calls and biometric lock features as they have been reportedly spotted in the latest beta version of the app. The join missed call feature will allow users to join an ongoing call midway if they fail to answer the phone initially. The biometric lock feature is being improved to include more ways of authentication besides fingerprint. These two features are set to be in development and will make their way to the app in future updates. Let's see when WhatsApp officially roll out the update. At number 3, we have news from Infinix. Infinix Hot 10 is now officially launched in India with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, powered with MediaTek Helio G70 processor, Android 10 based XOS 7 and a quad rear camera setup. The phone is packed with 5200 mAh battery supporting 18W fast charging. Talking about the price, the phone is priced at 8,999 rupees for the base variant and 9,999 for the high-end variant. The phone will go on sale via Flipkart on October 29 and will be available in Amber Red, Moonlight Jade and Obsidian Black and Ocean Wave color variants. Listing further, we have news from Huawei. Huawei recently launched its Huawei Mate 40 series, and along with this, Huawei launched many accessories like 66W wireless car charger, 50W charging stand, a 12,000 mAh power bank supporting 66W fast charging, and a new case that uses light ring to brighten pictures. Along with this, Huawei also launched Huawei Sound X Bluetooth speaker and a new Porsche design version of Huawei Watch GT 2 Pro. The prices of all these accessories are yet to reveal by the company. Huawei Mate 40 series are for now only launched in European markets. Let's see when Huawei release them for the other global markets. Next news that we have is from Xiaomi. Redmi K30s launch is very soon. The new model in the Redmi K series from Xiaomi is believed to be significantly cheaper than the previously launched Redmi K30 Ultra and is set to debut on October 27. Redmi K30s is expected to be powered with Snapdragon 865 processor paired with 12GB RAM, 512GB storage option and a 144Hz refresh rate display. Let's see when Xiaomi officially announces the device and at what price. So guys, the last update that we have is from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and camera details of Samsung Galaxy S21 are leaked online. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus appear to support very thin bezels. The phones could arrive with 6.7 inches and 6.9 inches screen sizes. Few reports suggested that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series will also be supporting S Pen. An image of rear camera module is also leaked and the image is suggested to be of Samsung Galaxy S21. The phones could be launched in early January 2021, including models Samsung Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's see when Samsung officially announces the devices and at what price. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and don't forget to press the bell icon which won't let you miss any of the latest video. Also, join us on social media platform. The Instagram and Twitter handles are mentioned in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section which motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.